As French ambassador, I'm glad to support Sport en Commun, to promote development through sport and make sport a key driver for economic and social development in Africa. Sport en Commun is a Pan-African solution designed to facilitate the funding of sport and development projects. It is a platform that can impact positively so many young Africans. I believe sustainable development goals can be significantly improved through the powerful catalyst of sport. Together, let's unleash the power of sport for development.